How to add email address in TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add email address on TikTok. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to tap on TikTok app on your home page. Now that you're in TikTok, you need to tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you're in the profile, you need to tap on three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your screen. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Now that you're in the settings, you need to tap on account option over here. Then you need to simply go ahead and tap on account information. From here you can see phone number, email and account reason. Here we are about to add email, so you need to simply tap on email. Now you can simply go ahead and add email over here. Now that you have added email, you need to simply go ahead and tap continue. Now, a code will be sent in order to verify your email. To simply enter the code just like this, and once you have done, your email is now added. It will take some time in order to verify it, and that's it. You now know how to add email address on your TikTok account. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.